Hi class, the objective I will be discussing is describing the differences between symmetric bimanual coordination and asymmetric bimanual coordination. So when it comes to symmetric bimanual coordination, it is a motor skill that requires the stimulation use of the two arms. There are times when the two limbs will do the same thing. Examples of symmetric bimanual coordination is when someone is rowing a boat or someone in a wheelchair rolls the wheels to move forward or move backwards. Asymmetric bimanual coordination is when each limb is doing something different. So examples of asymmetric bimanual coordination is when a guitarist is holding the strings with one hand to determine the chords while the other hand is strumming and plucking the strings. Another example is when a tennis player is about to serve and they throw the ball in the air with one hand while moving the racket in a different movement pattern is happening with the other hand. Asymmetric bimanual coordination is more difficult to learn because our limbs prefer symmetry. When it comes to the arms, it means that the two limbs prefer to do the same thing at the same time, which is the predominant symmetrical pattern. What happens when asymmetric bimanual coordination is happening is that the limbs must uncouple or dissociate so that the limbs will move differently. Two distinct views where people will learn to uncouple their limbs is a generalized motor program involvement for motor program theorists. When it comes to dynamical system theorists, the control issue is more straightforward. The initial tendency for the spatially and temporally coupled represents an attractor state characterized from them by a specific relative phase relationship. So with practice, the stable pattern is destabilized and a new attractor emerges as the new pattern becomes stabilized. Thank you.